This is my little doodle bug. And he's about 10 weeks old, and we found out he loves spaghetti. It's August 27th of 2012.
Spaghetti, what?
Look, we like spaghetti. I want more, Mom. Here, want some more? We like the angel hair pasta. He's a spoiled little doodle bug. Here, look. I'm gonna grow up to be a big old fat cat. Doodle bug. Doodle bug. I like spaghetti. I like spaghetti. He's a Napoleon. He's Persian Munchkin. He's looking at Daddy. He said, "Ooh, Daddy, I need some more spaghetti."
Focus the camera.
He sucks it up just like a kid.
Swallows it whole.
Just go.
Nope, missed the end of it. No. There it is.
Yeah. That's good stuff.